Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you that how Office 365 tools can be used efficiently. For that you should have the ID provided by the Microsoft. Here I am writing office.com just to sign in. You can write Office 365 login. Any of the one option can be used. I am clicking on office.com. So you'll get this interface here. The next step is to sign in. Click on the sign in option and you need to write down the ID which is provided by the Microsoft. Next, you need to write the password and you need to click on sign in. Here, click on yes. Now this is the interface which is Office 365 as you can see on the top, and these are the apps which are available with us. So first of all, I want to explain you that how we can create a document. I will tell you the apps which are very commonly used by us. First of all, click on the document. Now I will tell you that how the document can be created and how it can be shared. Basically, this is the Office 365. Right now we are working online and all the work which we will be doing, that will be saved on the cloud only. That will not be saved on our system, that will be saved automatically. So as you can see, I have just opened the document and after a few seconds automatically it saves our document, right? Suppose here I am writing hello friends, keep yourself busy to avoid tension. This is a simple sentence which I have written, right? So if I want to make it bold, I can select and I can make it bold. I can increase the size by clicking on this increase font size option, and if I want to insert some table, I can insert the table by clicking over here, like insert. If I want to picture, I can insert a picture. If I want to insert a table, I can insert a table. I can use any of the options which are provided to us, right? Suppose emoji I want to use, so I can use any of the emoji if I want. This is the smiley if I want. And now the next thing comes is how it can be shared with the other people. For that you need not to download it anywhere, but you have to click on the share button, right? So as you will click on the share, you need to be very careful while sharing. As you can see, the sharing link window is here in front of us and it is showing that anyone with the link can add it, but we are just sharing our document with the other people. We don't want other people to edit our document. So what you should do, you need to click on the arrow which is given here. Now, you need to, I'm clicking again on the share, click on the edit. Now, you have to deselect this option that is allow editing. Right now, whomsoever you are going to share with your file, that person can edit your file, but you just want to share and you don't want to give permission to that person to edit your file, you need to deselect this option. You need to be very careful while sharing the link, right? So you need to deselect this option. Now what you have selected, anyone with the link can open. The question is, whom would you like this link to work for? Anyone with the link. Suppose I am a student or I am a teacher. I want to share this Word file with my class students on my WhatsApp group or on my Teams, right? So I want to select, I have to click on this particular option, anyone with the link. Deselect this option. Now click on apply. So now the link has been generated in such a way that it can be seen, but nobody can edit this. Now you need to copy the link, right? So the link is ready with us. You need to copy the link and you can, you need to click on the link, copy, and on the WhatsApp you can share it with anybody. Suppose I am sharing with a person right now. Okay, so this is the way my document has been shared, right? So now I will tell you that how, if I don't want this document, I can close it, right? But it will remain there in my IT. It is saved in the cloud itself. Now if I want to create the Excel file, in the same manner Excel can be created and it can be shared as well. Here also you can see the share option is there. Suppose I want to create the timetable for class 10A. Okay, so I can create a timetable over here. Suppose I am just simply just to give you the overview, I've selected this and I want to fill the color in this, so I can fill the color. So the rest of the things you can manage, and all these options which you get normally in the Microsoft Excel, all those options are also available here, right? So now the thing is how you want to share with the other people without it. Here also you can see that book 1 is saved, right? So you need to click on the share. So if you want, it is location, it is in the Mamta Sharma. If you want to change the name of the file, suppose you want to save this file with name timetable for class 10th A, right? So the file will be saved with this name. As you can see, timetable of class 10th A, this is the name of my file and it is saved again. After few seconds, the Office 365 saves our document automatically. Now we need to click on the share, right? And again you need to click on the option, deselect this option because we want to share this with anyone. Click on apply. Now click on the copy link. The link is generated. The link is copied, as you will see this option. Now again, if I want to copy the link, this is the link of the SharePoint, right? We are sharing this. So from where we are getting this is my domain name. Gyan Mandir Public School is my domain name, and from the SharePoint we are sharing, and this is the link, right? So this is how we can do. Now we can close, and this is how we can share. And if in case you need to download the file, how can you download? You need to click on the file and you can click on save as, and you need to click on have to select the option download a copy, download at ODS. If you want to download a copy of this, it will be downloaded, right? So this is how you can download the file if you want. And the next is, if you want to work in the PPT also, in the same manner you can create a presentation, and in the presentation you can work over it. All the options are the same and you can share. Okay, so this is how you can work on Word, Excel and PowerPoint of Microsoft Office 365. One more thing is, next is the Outlook. The students and teachers have to use the Outlook account. For that, they have to log in with the Microsoft ID which is provided by the school itself. So if you want to check your mail, then you have to click on this mail option which is here. As I'm clicking on this, inbox. So this is my inbox where I have got all the mails. Okay. So these are the mails, the list of the mails which we have got, and it is by clicking on the sent item, it will tell us that if we have, whether we have sent any item to anybody or not. And if we want to attach something, right? If we want to give attachment of something, so we can attach a file, right? So we need to select the file and we can attach it here. Now the thing comes is, if we want to, this is the calendar. if we click on the calendar, Outlook calendar, it will show us all the meetings which we have attended in Microsoft Teams, which we have already planned and we have attended. Suppose this is the meeting. Today is 8 June and I have planned this meeting for 9 June. As you can see, this is also visible because I have already scheduled this meeting, and all these meetings which I have attended in the month of June. So this is a calendar, and the next is, now I want to tell you that how can you send a message to someone, how can you send a mail, right? For that you need to click on new message and the same window will appear where you need to write down the name of the person or email ID of the person whom you want to send the message. Suppose here I am selecting the person whom I want to send the message. Here I am writing hello message. Hello Randeep. Hope you are good at your health now. Bye. Okay. So my message is ready. If we want to attach some document, we can attach the link over here. So the link will be attached, and we can, if we want to attach an image, so image can be inserted with the help of this icon, and we need to click on send. The message will be sent. Okay, so this is how the Outlook account can be used, and all the students and the teachers are requested to use this Outlook account from now to send and receive the messages. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.